Load up on VeChain tokens before this happens. VeChain cryptocurrency. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss why you should load up VeChain tokens as fast as possible this year. But before we start, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away. In the past couple of years, cryptocurrencies have had a major comeback. Back in 2017, the crypto industry experienced a major crash, where the price of Bitcoin and all other coins fell by a large margin. After the 2017 crash, crypto has made an impressive comeback, and the prices of most coins are close to their all-time high right now as the bull market continues.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video, and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
In this video, we will be taking a look at VeChain price prediction. But before we get deeply into VeChain, let us know what actually are VeChain tokens. Over the past few months, VeChain has been gaining a lot of popularity. The reason behind VeChain's solid popularity and rise in price has many reasons. VeChain is a blockchain platform designed to enhance supply chain management and streamline business processes. The goal of VeChain crypto is to streamline complex supply chains through the use of distributed ledger technology, DLT. VeChain has already collaborated with many popular companies in order to provide supply chain data and tracking solutions, which have made the crypto steadily more popular and a good choice for investors. While a lot of cryptocurrencies have a high evaluation, not many currencies have a real-world application yet. On the other hand, VeChain has already demonstrated their product in action, and their platform has been deployed in companies such as BMW, Walmart China, and many more, as mentioned in their official blog. VeChain has also started development on Enterprise Non-Fungible Tokens, eNFT. VeChain has made impressive developments and partnered with some large companies, which makes crypto experts believe this coin has a lot of potential for growth. VET's price action has been roaming above the crucial support level of $0.082 for the past few days, which, if breached ever so slightly, could fuel the asset's fall to $0.067. At press time, the asset was worth $0.085 and noted a 0.6% decline in 24 hours. In case the market bulls emerge and push the price up, then the alt's price would try to test the $0.102 level. A bullish crossover was seen on July 7, as the MACD indicator pictured the emergence of a short-term bullish signal. After running parallel to the median line, the relative strength index registered a minute uptick, one hinting at more buyers over sellers at press time. VeChain's focus as a blockchain platform and related cryptocurrency is on corporate supply chains and logistics. Its main purpose, according to its white paper, is to improve the management of supply chains and related business processes. For example, a number of large enterprises now use VeChain for inventory tracking purposes. The addressable market for VeChain's area of focus could turn out to be quite large. A study from 2020 concluded that $300 billion worth of food could be tracked and traced on the blockchain by 2027. Walmart, NYSE, WMT, has partnered with IBM, NYSE, IBM, and created the Food Trust blockchain with 9 other food companies to track food supplies. A Norwegian classification company called DNV has partnered with VeChain. It provides tracking services for 13,175 vessels and mobile offshore units. VeChain has a proof of authority protocol system. This is an offshoot of the proof of stake system. As a result of its dual token supply structure, the total supply of tokens is slightly inflationary as a result. VeChain is here to stay. Look for the token to do very well this year as its blockchain popularity rises. Another perk of VeChain is that it pays a dividend. An offshoot coin called Thor or Vether, CCC, VTHOUSD, is paid to every holder of VET tokens. The market price for VTHO was just below 1.15 cents as of May 20th. Therefore, the VTHO tokens are worth 4.958 cents per 10,000 VET tokens daily, or $18.10 annually, i.e., $0.04958 x 365. As 10,000 VET tokens are worth $1,256, the dividend yield is about 1.44% annually, i.e., $18.10/$1,256. Again, this dividend gets paid out to VET token owners daily in VTHO tokens. Sunny Lu created VeChain in 2015, and he remains the CEO of the VeChain Foundation, based in Singapore. Prior to this, he co-founded the Chinese internet firm TUM, another digital crypto asset. He was previously the CIO and COO of Louis Vuitton China. VeChain has over 90 employees, mostly software developers. In late 2019, the VeChain Foundation's wallet was hacked, and 1.1 billion VET tokens were stolen, which at the time were worth $6.53 million. The stolen tokens were tracked by the foundation using a software program from cybersecurity firm Hacken. It also had exchanges blacklist the addresses associated with the hacker who stole the VeChain tokens. VeChain has a maximum total supply cap limit of 86.712 billion VET tokens. CoinMarketCap reports that 64.3156 billion VET tokens are circulating, which means that 25.8% of the supply is available to be validated. VeChain does not use mining. It uses a proof of authority consensus system to validate transactions. This is where a group of masternodes validate all transactions. They are selected by the VeChain Foundation and the VeChain community after Know Your Customer (KYC) processes. As more companies begin to use the VeChain blockchain to monitor their supply and inventory channels, the VET tokens will become prolifically more popular. Look for VeChain to regain its former heights sometime in the next year. As a result, this crypto looks like a good buy at this point with its price well off its highs. In 2021, the market sentiment around most cryptocurrencies is very bullish. The same is true for VET. There are several reasons for this. Because its focus point, supply management, is one of the biggest pillars in blockchain and one of the best use case scenarios for VeChain. Because the token is strongly linked with the solutions provided by DeFi applications, which can be built on top of VeChain's blockchain. Among these DeFi applications, a large area of interest is that of gaming, which is growing thanks to the new ideas linked to a perceived metaverse. Because VeChain has never experienced the effects of a parabolic bull run. The reason we mention these points is to justify our prediction. We believe that VET will experience massive growth, reaching $1 in USD value in the final quarter of 2021. We also believe that there will be at least one strong parabolic bull run during the same period, which could see VeChain temporarily growing to even higher price points, possibly within the $2 to $3 range. While it is rather hard to give long-term price predictions, we can certainly say that our 2021 forecast is low compared to what the cryptocurrency can potentially be worth a few more years down the road. In the next 4 years, we expect to see a massive growth in DeFi and the first steps to the creation of a virtual reality, empowered and supported by decentralized projects. This area of focus is very relevant to VeChain, which will continue to act as a foundation for supply management of virtual luxury items. By 2025, we expect the total market cap of the crypto industry to have exceeded that of gold. Sitting at roughly 10 trillion, this would mean that the whole market will nearly 10x from this point onwards. About half of this value will most likely be locked in Bitcoin and Ethereum. The rest will most certainly be spread throughout fundamentally strong DeFi-related projects, such as VET. With this in mind, it wouldn't be unreasonable to expect VET to reach a $10 price point before the end of 2025. This prediction is highly speculative, but would be much more realistic if we manage to hit our 2021 target. If the 2021 target is not reached, we can also create a scenario for a bearish price performance. This may happen if a stronger supply management project manages to outperform VeChain and is chosen as the go-to option for luxury goods. If the captured market share of VeChain decreases, so will its price. As such, the bearish scenario could see VET somewhat stagnant in the $1 area, as the rest of the industry continues to grow. VeChain's progress over the past 3 years has been nothing short of inspiring. And while the general sentiment is already positive, there are several signs you should be looking out for when trying to make a VET price prediction in the short to midterm. New partnerships. Partnerships with well-known brands are often responsible for short-term price volatility. By following the VeChain Foundation on Twitter, you will be the first one to hear about those partnerships and trade accordingly. Stronger investors. With Tim Draper on board, VeChain has more chances of survival. As supply chain management solutions continue to increase in importance, it might be useful to track and research investors that acquire part of the company's shares. Western adoption. VeChain was established in China and has mainly Chinese partnerships. We expect to see an eventual growth within the markets of the West and increased adoption by merchants on a global scale. Growth in counterfeit markets. Global counterfeit markets are grossing more than $400 billion per year and are growing more on a year-to-year basis, as equipment for product imitation becomes increasingly sophisticated. If you want to track the value of VET regularly, make sure you check our VeChain price chart. Through a series of filters and data points, you will be able to track the price of VET, while adjusting timeframes, paired currencies, and market data. You can also use our VET calculator to calculate the value of your holdings or estimate the amount you'd need to pay in order to acquire the amount you want. The crypto markets require continuous observation, especially for those who wish to benefit from short-term trading opportunities. Therefore, make sure you trust one of the most valuable VeChain price prediction tools in the industry. The increased demand for VeChain is strongly linked with the project's fundamentals, which will play an important role in the future of DeFi, online gaming, and supply chain management. Furthermore, the partnerships that VET has already achieved over the past few years are a secondary indication of the project's success in the long term. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then, goodbye.